Hair looking crazy. Kind of woofing.
Mine?
Mine. That's more than a woof. What's going on, y'all? Back with another banger or another video. That sounds trendy as hell to say it like that. But yeah, I'm going to grab some stuff to clean my car. But that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is to go over my engine bay once I clean it. Cause I'm not gonna show y'all no dirty engine bay. It's YouTube, for crying out loud. So yeah, man, it'll take me probably an hour to get all this done, but for y'all it's gonna go as simply as this. All right, so let's begin this video. All right, so y'all have seen the engine bay before. It's nothing new, it's nothing great, nothing extraordinary. I need to flush that. Anywho, so you got my intake right here. It's AF Dynamic. So this is my the water pump reservoir, not water pump, windshield wiper fluid reservoir. That's not clear coated. That's just actual hydro dip. The fuse box cover, hydro dip. This sits over the springs and shit like that. Correct me in the comments, man, but hydro dipped as well. Engine cover dipped as well. Same thing as it was on the opposite side, dipped as well. The main point of this video actually is I'm trying to show y'all that you can do things to your car and make it look good for super cheap. And it comes out looking good. My shit is not perfect. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna point some flaws out because I like keeping it real with y'all. So like I said, this one is not hydro dipped, right? I'm gonna take this one off though. This one, if you look on the sides, it don't look as good. It also ended up not going in between there, which ain't good. And this side, and it's not super clean. So in terms of that, that's really it for that piece. But this one came out perfect, legit came out perfect. I'll give y'all a close-up. This one over here, I'm gonna show y'all as well. So if you look closely, right, it's a solid pattern going this direction, right? Then if you look right here where it stops at, you see the you see the camo patterns are going opposite direction. So when I was dipping this one, I accidentally, well, not accidentally, I didn't put enough film in the water to cover the whole thing. So I had to go back and attach a second piece. And I guess something to remember is this was my first official major hydro dipping event thing, whatever. I don't know the word I'm looking for. I know what I'm saying in my head, but so yeah, this was the first major piece of it, man. Eventually I'm going to do the brake calipers because I wanted to match the interior, and I want the interior to match the engine bay and the brake calipers. So it was my first time actually attempting to do it on something real other than my phone case, which came out perfect actually. But I'm gonna get to the engine bay, not the engine bay, engine cover. So this one is far from perfect, and I'll show you why, man. So you got little kinks right here. This doesn't look as good as it should around the actual letters. If you go into the actual grooves, you'll see that it ended up chipping away when I went to rinse it off. And I mean, I know better now. Now I know what to do. I know how to do it. I could actually fucking do it for people if I wanted. I'm good at it now. But what I wasn't good at, and here's another major flaw. So if you're looking at this, you see in red, gray, black, all the way up, right? All the way through. So once you get to the back side, give or take here, all the way back, it looks like more gray than red. And here's how this happened. When I was doing the engine cover, same exact thing happened that happened with this one right here. I dipped the cover. I did it this side facing down at the angle, and I didn't have enough to cover the back. So what I ended up doing is trying to clean up my work a little bit. I took another sheet, same as I did with this one, took another sheet and dipped the back half of it backhand, but I did a little too much. That's why there's a little bit of overlay from the camo and the front side. Just thought I should let y'all know that. So from a distance, hell yeah, it looks fucking good. Hell yeah, it does. But knowing me, because I did the work, I know the flaws. So when people ask me at car meets and car shows, man, who did your engine bay? And it came out good, came out dope. In the back of my head, I always got this thought that if they actually look close enough, they will see the kinks and see the imperfections. But in the car world, nobody's gonna ask you stuff like, hey man, so, or they're not gonna say stuff like, hey, this is fucked up, this part fucked up, this is fucked up, that's fucked up. Just, they're not gonna do that. People like to admire other people's work and appreciate other people's work. So this is going to get covered in another video, but prime example though, right, is, let me take y'all around this side. Prime example of people not questioning your work is, look at my brake calipers, man. Paint chipping. And scraped right here in the corner. Whenever I'm rolling or I'm at somewhere where it's a lot of car guys or car girls there, they always say, man, it looks like an SRT. And I'm not blowing y'all's head up, or they're not blowing my head up, because I know it's a 3.6. Yeah. But they'll look at the car and they'll just say, hey man, it looks like a SRT, until they hear me take off. But they're like, hey man, the red brake calipers, which are not Brembos, it looks good. Everything's smoked out, crazy tint, got Mopar on the windshield, got the wicker bill at the back, taillight tint. I mean, if you weren't a car person and you didn't know how the SRT 300s look versus any other 300 newer models, you would know damn well it's not an SRT. So, but I'm getting away from the point of the video. Point of the video is this, man. I paid, I'm gonna get in the car because it's pretty chilly, by the way. So I paid oh man, let me see, for the hydro dip film, it was about, I think I paid 20 for the whole roll, and it was a humongous roll, huge. I still got some left over now, actually, huge. The film was give or take 20. I got it from Atlantic Hydro. I'll drop the link to their website and my specific pattern in the video description. Then the activator that you actually spray on the vinyl once you put it in the water. I'm gonna give y'all a video on hydro dipping sometime, actually, because I'm gonna end up doing my brake calipers. That was one of my biggest. That was one of my biggest plans. So so yeah, 20 for the film. The activator, in which, if you done hydro dipping before, then you know what this is. But the activator spray was about 15 off Amazon, and I got a big can. Still got some of that left over too. Fuck, I got like half a can left actually. What's free, technically, is the water you're going to use for whatever object you're going to be dipping this stuff in. So for my first, let me see, for the two suspension cover looking circle pieces, I dipped those in a tub. And yeah, I mean, I cleaned it all up later, so I mean, just put a little elbow grease in and you're cool, man, you're good. The engine cover, was a bit different. I had to go to Walmart to get a like a humongous tub or tote type deal, something that will hold water. I forget what it's actually called, but I bought one of those, filled it up with water, tested it on a few things to see if it could like legit cover big objects, and I went ahead and did that. Of course, I messed up the backside. Y'all know that now. So yeah, in a nutshell, without getting too crazy with this, because this was supposed to be like a remotely simple video, I say all that to say this, man. If you want to make your car look good, if you want to make your car look different, make it stand out, car show worthy, I don't think that work in the front is car show worthy, but it does fucking break necks when it's daytime and I pop the hood, man. So I was going for something nice looking, something different, stands out, makes everybody wants, it attracts attention to your car. So that's what I was going for. I did that. To me, it came out good, minus my kinks. But the kinks are where you wouldn't even bother to look. Nobody's going to have their head all in your engine bay. So I'm cool with that. So let's just say, let's round this up. 50 bucks to make your engine bay look exactly like mine. 50 bucks. More or less, depending on you, depending on what you're doing. And if y'all didn't take nothing else from this video, man, be creative, be yourself, be you. Make your car different, make your car yours. There's tons of cars like yours. Make yours yours. And on that note, because it's about to snow again, I gotta get going because my front tires are bad. I'll discuss that in another video as well. But yeah, man, y'all stay safe, stay out the way. Be yourself, man, and get inspired by my videos, man. More videos coming. About to lower the car. I'm gonna grab new tires, new tire stickers, and I can't say what else. Y'all know those. So on that note, man, I'm out of here. Listen, y'all, have a wonderful day. Fucking subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're on the road to 1,500 subs. We'll get there soon. Drop a like on the video if you like the video. If you made it this far in the video, drop a comment down below saying hydro dip. And other than that, man, I'm out of here. Till the next time, gang. We out.